Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel K and Dev. Here are 5 activities which you can do at home with your kids. So in the first activity, just give a ring to a kid. Kids have to keep the ring on their head and walk without making it fall. This time is tough for kids when they are forced to stay at home. So we can try this game with our kids. Next activity is puddle jumping. In this activity, simply cut out the sheet of paper and write numbers or alphabets on them. Place them around your living room and ask your child to jump from one paper to another. 4. Jump on 3. Jump on 1. This activity also helps in learning numbers and the alphabets. These activities are very interesting and kids have fun while playing indoors. Next activity is paper hop activity. This is the most interesting activity for kids because in this they have to hop on sheets. We give 2 sheets to every kid and then they have to reach the final line only by hopping on sheets. Next activity is paper cup pyramid. Simply give your kid a pack of paper cup and ask them to build a pyramid. This activity is very interesting and it also works on teamwork, concentration and patience. So you can see how Kay and Dev are playing in a teamwork. These activities are very interesting which you can do at home without any special arrangement, and this can be done with all the things available at home. Next activity is ring the object. In this activity, we just need some objects. You can take any objects. So Kay and Dev loves car, so we kept the car and arranged them on floor. You can use ring or pressure cooker rubbers for this. So you have to ask your kid to ring the object and you can give points, like for small car give 10 points and for big car give them 20 points and for special car give them 30 points. This is really a fun activity and enjoyed a lot. And Kay and Dev also writes his points and at the end he got somewhere around 80 points and he is very happy. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the video Kay and Dev.